Hi, it's August. Welcome to North London Allotment, and today it's just a short one because I'm just going to do like a product review of something I bought recently, and I'm just using it today for the first time. So the product I'm reviewing today is the Hori Hori by Niwaki. It does look like an offensive weapon, and it is really offensive against weeds. Comes in this cloth bag and also a holster that fits on the belt so you can feel like a samurai. Let's go get those weeds. So in this part of this bed at the front of the allotment, I've got quite a few different weeds, and I'm going to show you how good this guy is at getting them out. There we go, some mare's tail. Straight away. Dandelion, which obviously have those really deep tap roots. There we go. There's another dandelion. It just slides in. Oh, there's a stone there. Slides in really easily. Just get around that stone, and it does allow you to get quite a chunk of root out as well. Let's get rid of that weed. So this is this fat hen. This stuff's everywhere. It's quite hard to pull actually, because it does go quite deep and it is quite strong. There we go. Out she comes. Teasel. I think that's teasel anyway. I've got a lot here. Very prickly. There we go. That one was no problem. What else can I show? Oh, big one. Look at this. Let's take on the big one. Oh, that was easy. Straight out. Another random weed here. Great. I'm slightly in love with this. I really love this. Now I've had a good go with it. It's as good as they say. I do look like I should be stood on a street corner somewhere threatening someone with that. I'll put it down. It's good. It's really good. Goes right down, eases the roots out, and I got a carrot out earlier because I pulled it and the leaves came off, so I couldn't get it out, and I was thinning them, so I didn't want to damage the ones around it, so just slid that down, wiggled it around a bit, and the carrot came out, so that was good. It replaces the onion hoe as my favourite weeding tool. Don't tell the onion hoe, it's probably why it ran away. I can't find it, it's in there somewhere, but it's great. I haven't been sponsored, I haven't been given it for free. It's something I bought. I did get a discount, but that was because I follow No Dig Undug on Facebook, which is run by Charles Dowding's partner Steph Hafferty, and she had a discount code from Niwaki, and so I took advantage and used that because I've wanted one of these for ages. It's great. Love it. And in a sheath so you look like a samurai. I wouldn't wear it out and about. Can you imagine if I got stopped and searched? What would they think of that? Anyway, I think it's a great piece of kit. If you can afford it, it's great. If you can't, wait till there's a discount code somewhere. But it is really good, and I would say, especially when the ground is dry, it does make weeding very easy, especially if, like, down the end, which I do forget about that end, and those really deep weeds had gone right in, like the dandelions and the teasels. This is really good for them. There we go. It's the Niwaki Hori Hori, and I think it's a really good piece of kit.